Barnaby and the Big Splash. Down on Farmer Giles' farm, life is cozy and loud. If you listen closely, you might hear a quack. That's Barnaby, the big daddy duck, waking up by the pond. Barnaby loves the pond because it is cool and muddy. And who else loves the water? His wife, Daisy. She is busy looking after their little clutch of eggs hidden nearby. Splish, splash! Ducks are special swimmers. Do you know how they paddle so fast? Look at their feet. They have webbed feet like little orange paddles. When they swim, they are also searching for breakfast. Yum! Daisy dips her head into the muddy water to find tasty pond weeds and little tiny water bugs. When the sun gets high, it's time to waddle away from the pond and head to the barnyard. Barnaby leads the way, making sure everyone knows he is coming with a loud, confident quack. In the barnyard, there are different foods. The ducks love finding dropped pieces of corn or grain left behind by the farmer. Sometimes they even catch a crunchy insect. At night, the ducks go back to their favorite spot. Daisy made their home, a snug nest deep inside a quiet little shed near the pond. It keeps them safe and dry. Soon, the waiting was over. Crack! The eggs began to wiggle and tap. Daisy listened carefully to the little noises coming from inside her perfect, soft nest. Pop! Out popped the first baby duck. He was small and fluffy and yellow, and Daisy named him Pip. He chirped a tiny, sweet little greeting. Soon, Pip and his siblings were ready for their first walk. Pip learned quickly that if he followed Daisy's bottom, he would never get lost in the grass. Barnaby was so proud to see his little ducklings growing. He taught Pip how to smooth his feathers and look like a proper, handsome farm duck. The pond is full, the barnyard is sunny, and the quacking is loud. Barnaby, Daisy, and little Pip all live happily on the farm, ready for their next big splash.